Rezolve AI has come out to crush the short report with a $150 million annual recurring revenue outlook for the remaining of this year 2025 and 500 million for 2026. However, skeptics are saying that $500 million for 2026 is quite aggressive. They're also pointing out that there's still some there's still there might still be some execution risks and further dilutions coming up in the future as well. Okay, so regardless, we are enjoying this rebound. This momentum is printing right now. It is really trending as well, up as you can see, 19.48%. So this is Wednesday, the 1st of October, 2025. This is its 4-hour chart. Let's see what's going on. So even with all of that strength, we can still see that it got a rejection. It got a rejection somewhere here at 6.3, 6.4, let's see, $6.42. Yeah, I got a rejection there. And the extrapolation is saying that, yeah, it's going to continue to decline up till midday of tomorrow. Then after that, it may bounce. Yeah, so they actually started to pick up strength yesterday in the pre-market session. So they are. So I think what's going on right now is they are trying to sell this news. Yeah, I know it's confusing. Yeah, it's confusing. It's up 18.67%, but some people are trying to sell the news, but it may not. I don't know if it's going to work. So the stock, the company has, announced, has impressed the market, you know, and so this trend is showing now is better than what it was yesterday. So that's what's going on. This 17% gain is on top of what it closed at yesterday. So yeah, there's also an attempt, as you can see, I showed you here now, to sell this news. So we'll see how it goes. The extrapolation is saying that it may pivot. They may attempt to sell it, going all the way towards tomorrow, midday of tomorrow. Then after that, by towards the close of tomorrow's trading session, the uptrend may resume. But it's not pointing to anything really ambitious. So projections are saying nothing to the upside. We have 2.05, 2.85, 4.14. Regardless, we have we have intraday low here 4.7. Intraday high, do we have anything here? 4.7.5, 7.59. It printed on the 17th of September. Okay, let's see what's going on. Okay, let's see what the price pressure momentums are saying. Okay, so regardless, everything is still severely bearish. So even with all the strength it has showed now, it's still um yeah, okay, I see what you mean here. The positions opened about 4 hours ago are no longer positive. They are now obviously in the red, given that the stock got a rejection. It's there. Some people are actually taking profits right now. So yeah, everything's totally bearish right now on this 4 hour chart. So I know it's confusing with 18% gain and you're saying bearish. Yeah, that's unfortunately, yeah. So yeah, that's how it is right now. This gain was actually better than what it was. That's what I'm trying to actually say. So it's better than what it was before, and before now the stock was it was severely bearish. Yeah, you can see that the downtrend was in place since the 24th of September. So this we if you like it's just showing improvement since the last 5 trading sessions. Yeah. So it's still not out of the woods yet. That's why you see some of these indicators still flashing bearish figures. Okay, so we have extrapolations on the daily chart. It has projections, some positive here, 7.33 up to the upside. 4.72 is a retest of this intraday low. Yeah, will be a retest of that intraday low. But here the price pressure momentum is saying that here it's reflecting, this is a daily chart, so there seems to be a divergence. The 4 hour chart is constantly. It's like a clock in every hour. It's changing, adjusting, and only printing. By that I mean it prints a price point. It concludes and moves on to the next stage after every 4 hours. Like this one moves to the next point after every day. So, but it keeps on fluctuating with market conditions, but will only printing meaning it will conclude that point, move on to the uh, next fluctuation, keep fluctuating until the end of the session, or the end of the 4 hours. So here on the 4 hour chart, it's saying that it's going to, because we have it's up 18.67%, so it's saying that it's going to maintain that strength going all the way towards Friday's the close of Friday. Whereas the 4 hour chart is saying something else. So there is a world where what we have on that 4 hour chart and what we have on this daily chart can still align, because the daily chart only prints at the end of the session. So at the end of the day, you may have something positive, but after that, things may decay. So the extrapolation is actually saying that it's going to cycle going all. I mean, it's going to have an accumulative cycle to the upside. Towards the 11th, the 10th of November. So we also have here price pressure momentums are improving. Yeah, they seem to be improving. I think, yeah, they seem to be improving. Improving, yeah. You can see all the derivatives are positive. The 10-day, 21-day moving average is trending, trending very well. The 10-day moving average is fairly bearish, but may improve. The positions opened over the last 10 days are not doing well at the moment, but the ones opened over the last 21 days are still good. So over the last 10 days last 10 trading sessions will be somewhere around here. So let's see now, where do we have last 10 trading sessions? So 17th of yeah, you can see that. Yeah, you can see positions opened around somewhere here. They're somewhere around here. Yeah, they're still on the water. But the ones opened 21 days ago are somewhere down here, down the slope. So they're still positive. Underlying trend, bullish. 40-day intermediate, medium term trend, also bullish as well. We don't have them here, but they should easily be in trending right now. So everything is trending. The 10-day moving average is not trending, it's bearish, but it's improving. You can see a robust second derivative indicating or validating this 18% gain we're looking at right now. So that's what's going on right now with RZLV. Let's see how they're trading the stock on the with the active trader. Let's see. Yeah, okay, decently liquid. Yeah, people are people are choosing to take their time. Yeah, they're choosing to take their time to fix their orders at various at desirable price points. But aggressors are here. You can see that. You got these guys here. Um, Aggressive buyers and sellers are here in the midst of swing traders and investors. Yes, swing traders will be those who haven't whose orders are not looking good, and may close or may exit at a later date or at a later time. So it's quite active. Yes, it looks quite liquid. It looks quite liquid. You can see we are looking at quadruple lots going in there on the stock, on the yeah, into the stock. Yes, yeah, it has lost some of those gains. So just have a look and see what you make of RDDT, sorry, RZLV, and thank you very much for watching this video.